Hello, welcome to my channel. We're going to learn how to crochet this 5-petal flower. To begin, make a magic ring. I take these 2 fingers of my left hand, and this is how I hold this yarn. Take my crochet hook, pick this yarn, take off 1 finger, hold this yarn this way, hold close to my crochet hook to take off the other finger, hold close to my crochet hook, chain 1 and fasten. That way I have made a magic ring. Then you are going to chain 1 and make 3 triple crochets here. To make a triple crochet, you yarn over once, yarn over twice, go through the magic ring, draw up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over, draw through 2 only. You have 3 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over, draw through 2 only. You have 2 remaining, yarn over, draw through 2. That is how to make a triple crochet. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, make the second triple crochet. You have 4 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over, pull through 2 only, you have 3 remaining, yarn over, pull through 2 only, you have 2 remaining, yarn over, pull through the 2. We have made 2 triple crochets. Make the third triple crochet. You have 4 loops, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. After that, now make a single crochet. We have finished 1 petal. To make the second petal, yarn over twice and make 3 triple crochets in the magic ring. When you have 4, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. We have made the first triple crochet, yarn over twice, make the second triple crochet in the magic ring, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over twice, make a triple crochet. You have 4 loops, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. You have made the second triple crochet. Make the third triple crochet. You have 4 loops, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. Then now make a single crochet to finish. And that is what you repeat until the end. You make 3 triple crochets and a single crochet to complete a petal. Since we already have a single crochet, you yarn over and make 3 triple crochets. This is 1, 2, 3. Then you make a single crochet to finish a petal. After finishing, you begin making the next one, making 3 triple crochets. So continue until you have 5. We have made 3. After making 5 petals, the last one I have made 3 triple crochets and finished with a single crochet. I will slip stitch and cut. Then this loop, then this yarn from the magic ring, you pull it to close this flower. You weave in the loose ends